Hello, today I will be showing apartment 104 here at AMLI 300. So this is a handicap accessible unit. So all of the counters will be a little lower. The microwave will be on the counter, and then you will have these lead ups here for wheelchair accessibility. All of our appliances will be stainless steel. So you'll have refrigerator, the microwave, also the oven, the washer and dryer comes in unit as well, and they will be full and not stacked. All of our appliances are Energy Star, and they will save you on electricity and water usage per month. And they're also gonna come in unit for you. This is a coat closet here at the front of the apartment. You'll also have valet trash, one for recycle and one for trash. And that'll go out around 8 o'clock every day, and that's an extra $28 per month. And so the granite countertops will come backsplash. You'll have all hardwood floors throughout the apartment. This particular apartment does have a lead out. It is on floor 1, and it will lead out to the pool area. And then we'll come in here to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. It does have a peculiar shape to it. You'll have a nook there, and then also a window. And the bathroom will also have wheelchair accessibility from the roll up, nice size mirror, single vanity. This one will have a slide shower on it. So very accessible, and also a linen closet. The master bedroom closet does have lower shelves, better accessibility. Let's go over here to the den. This is the den. So a little space here. It does come with 2 extra closets. And then there's a much bigger closet this way. And that is apartment 104. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at 300@amli.com or give us a call. Thanks.